Unleash your creative genius with Higgsfield AI, your new favorite content creation partner, by following this step-by-step guide designed for absolute beginners. First, let's get acquainted with the Higgsfield AI interface. Upon logging in, you'll see a central dashboard on the left-hand side. You'll find a navigation menu with different content categories, like text, image, and video generation at the top. There's a search bar to quickly find specific tools or features. To kick things off, let's explore text generation. Click on the text generation option from the left-hand menu. This will open up a dedicated workspace. You'll see a prominent input field where you can describe the kind of text you want to generate. In this input field, simply type your prompt. Be as descriptive as possible. For example, you could ask for a blog post, a social media caption, or even a poem. The more detail you provide, the better Higgsfield AI can understand your needs. Once your prompt is ready, hit the Generate button. Higgsfield AI will then process your request and present you with the generated content. You can then review and easily copy the text for your use. Now, let's move on to the exciting world of image generation. Navigate back to the main menu and select image generation. Similar to text, you'll find an input area for your image prompt. Describe the image you envision. Think about the style, subjects, colors, and overall mood. For instance, you might ask for a landscape, a character portrait, or abstract art. Let your imagination run wild. Click Generate, and watch as Higgsfield AI brings your visual ideas to life. You'll be presented with several image options to choose from. Simply click on the ones you like to expand and save them. Higgsfield AI also provides handy editing tools. Explore the content editing section to refine your generated text with formatting options or make minor adjustments to your images. This allows you to fine-tune your creations to perfection. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to start creating compelling content with Higgsfield AI. Experiment with different prompts, explore all its features, and unlock your true creative potential.